Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on a Chromebook without using developer mode. So let's get started. First, right-click on the Start menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, click on Network and Internet. Now, under Advanced Network Settings, click on Network and Sharing Center. Here you'll see your active Wi-Fi connection. Click on the Wi-Fi name that's currently connected. A new Wi-Fi status window will pop up. Now click on the Wireless Properties button. In the new window that appears, go to the Security tab. Here you'll see an option called Network Security Key. This is your Wi-Fi password. To make the password visible, simply check the box that says Show Characters. And there you go. You can now see your Wi-Fi password clearly on your screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.